Good morning, children. Hello, everyone. All of you take out Social Science book, Chapter 9, Our Forest and Wildlife. A forest is a large area of land covered with different types of trees and plants. Since trees and plants in forests grow naturally, they are also known as natural vegetation. Useful of forest. There are 6 points. All of you by heart these 6 points. Point number 1. They check floods and prevent soil erosion. Number 2. They attract rain and give shelter to a variety of wild animals. Number 3. Forest also provides us with food, gum, resin, honey, rubber and many medicines. Number 4. Forests maintain a balance between a level of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. Number 5. Trees in forests hold the soil with their roots and helping the protecting it from being carried away by wind and water. Number 6. Forests provide shelters to a large number of animals and birds. There are mainly 5 types of forest in India. They are evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn forest, coniferous forest and tidal forest. Evergreen forest. Evergreen forests are also called tropical forests. The trees in the forest do not shed their leaves. They look green throughout the year. The trees are tall with lots of leaves. They form a broad canopy at the top. They also have a dense underground of shrub and bushes. Evergreen forests are found in hot and wet regions. In India, they are found on the slopes of the Western Ghats, the hills of the northeast states, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The main trees of evergreen forests are rosewoods, monogee, and enobi. Deciduous forests. Deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forests. The trees of this forest shed their leaves in hot summer to save water. The southern plateaus and in the foothills of the Himalaya. The importance of trees in these forests are teak, sandalwood, sal and sesame. Thorn forest. Trees in the thorn forest have more thorns and spiny and less leaves. They also have long roots. They go deep into the ground to absorb water. Thorn and the spiny save loss of water from the leaves. Thorn forests are found in the areas with scanty rainfall like Rajasthan and parts of the Punjab, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Cactus, babul, kikar and the prickly pear are the common trees and shrub of these forests. Coniferous forest. The trees in coniferous forest bear cones. They have needle-shaped leaves which protect them from snow. The forests are found in the higher slopes of the Himalaya and the Nilgiri hills in the south. Deodar, fir, birch, pine and the spruce are the common trees of this forest. Tidal forest. Tidal forests are also called mangrove. These forests are mostly found in the deltas of the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi and Godavari. The trees of this forest have breathing roots that come out of the soil. They breathe in the air through these roots because soil is deficient in air. Conservation of forest. Man has been constantly destroying forest for his need of wood, space and building new towns and cities. As a result, lot of problems have been created. The destruction of the forests has reduced total rainfall and lead to the formation of deserts and wastelands. Many wild animals have lost their habitat. One Mahotsav program is organized in school every year. 1,000 trees are planted during this program. Similarly, social forestry programs have been launched to plant this on the roadside and open land. Cutting of trees has been declared illegal. Wildlife includes animals, birds and insects that live in forest. India has a rich variety of wildlife, but due to the destruction of forests, many wild animals have become extinct. Our government has set up many national parks and sanctuaries to protect wild animals. The Chipko movement. In 1974, a group of the villagers in Uttarakhand prevent tree cutters from cutting down tree of the forest by putting their arms around the trees. This unique method of the saving trees took the shape of the big movement called the Chipko movement. The movement later spread all over Uttarakhand. The movement was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna.